That's it. Cajun lemon crab clam bomb. There you go. Alright, y'all, Yames here. We're ready to do another cooking video with some seafood. We got us some crab meat and we got us some clams. So let's go check out what we're doing. Hang on. Okay, so we got us some clams, some chopped clams. Got us some white crab meat. Got us some sugar. Got us some Cajun seasoning. Got some hot sauce. 6 lemons. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the top off of them, hollow them out, and fill them with clams and crab meat seasoned with Cajun seasoning, hot sauce, and sugar. And then I'm going to set them in this little pan here, like so. And I'm going to put them on the grill and grill them. So stay tuned. We're going to get this together. We'll get it going. This should be good. It should be interesting. All right, hang tight. All right. So we've got our white crab meat and our baby clams in there. Now they're already cooked. So we're not going out to cook all this. We're just going to heat it up inside these lemons. As you can see, hollowed them out pretty good. And I mean, I left meat in it, inside it. So, but there were juicy lemons too. But so we're going to take us some hot sauce. I like my stuff spicy. I'm going to put some butter in there, because everything's better with butter. Not a whole lot. And then our Cajun seasoning. Doesn't matter what kind of seasoning you want to use, just use whatever you want to use. And we're gonna just give that a good, like that, and just a little bit of sugar, just a little bit, just to counteract that saltiness and sourness from the lemons. All right, I'm gonna get all this mixed up good, and I'm gonna stuff these, and we're gonna put them on the grill and get that going. Hang tight. All right, yeah, it's pretty windy this afternoon. Had to put me up a wind block, big piece of sheet steel from a tractor trailer I've had for many years. But anyway, the seafood lemon bombs are chilling in the fridge, and fire's going. Gonna hang out, chill out for a little bit, let that get right, and then we're going to use the other trash can on top of the trash can. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right, yeah, we're not going to use that lid. Anyway, all right, hang tight. All right, and there they are. They're stuffed pretty good, and I just topped them off with some hot sauce. And you can, if you want to. I mean, you got the tops to the lemons. You can, if you wanted to. When you're cooking them, you can just sit one right on top of there while it's cooking. That's probably what I'll do. I don't know. Well, I'll try a couple like that and a couple without them. Let's get them on the fire. And like I said, the meat is already cooked. It's just what we're going to do is get them real nice and hot, mixed in with that flavorings of the seasoning and the lemons. All right, hang tight. All right, you have to forgive the heat pump because it's right there. But charcoals are ready, and our lemon bombs are too. So what we're gonna do is maneuver these over here. Set that one up. Yeah, sometimes those lemons got a little bump on the bottom of them. You kind of got to shear it off. Let's see, here's the lid for this. Okay, it will fit. But what I wanted to try to do, even though it's so windy, is I was wanting to use that. Yeah. My 6-gallon trash pail. Actually, that's better than the original lid because it's got a little air space in between there, so keep those charcoals going better. We'll try that for a little bit, and like I said, all we're doing is heating up the seafood inside the lemon. We're not trying to actually cook it. So we'll get back to this here in a few minutes. Give it about 5 minutes. We'll take a look. All right. Okay, so it's been about 5 or 8 minutes. It actually smells pretty good coming out of there. Let's take a look and just see. Oh yeah, they're steaming. Let's put the small lid on there and confine the heat a little more. It actually fits on there all right with those lemons. Those are big lemons. Yeah, we'll put that on there and finish them off. I like using that there though. It's old school. Even this thing here, I like it too. You got to do it a different way though. All right, we'll let that go. I don't know, 5-10 minutes. We'll get back to it. Hang tight. So yeah, I mean, I say to the guy, that's my hat you're wearing. And he said, well, no, it's my hat. I know, right? I said, that's my hat. I don't know. Oh, really? Huh. That's interesting. Wow. Huh. Really? Well. Clear blue sky. All right. Well, let's check out these lemon bombs here and see what's going on. It's been about 10-12 minutes since I took off that 6-gallon pail. Whoa, yeah. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. It's boiling down in there. Lemon juice. Juice from the crab and clams. Hot sauce, spices. Oh yeah, smells good too. Put that back on there again. We'll get back to it. Hang tight. Alright, so we got it going on here. We're gonna slice one of these and get it going down the middle. So we can get a close-up of that with that steaming coming off of there. That's your Cajun lemon clam crab bomb. And there you go. Yep.